This is my YouTube Shorts channel, and in just 10 days, it generated over 6 million views and more than 30,000 subscribers. Everything you're seeing on the screen is completely real, and you can verify it yourself. In this video, I'm also going to reveal the channel name so you can check every detail on your own. After I stopped making quiz videos, I uploaded the first video on this channel. Within just 9 days, it reached 33,000 views. That might not sound like a huge number, but for me, it was the motivation I needed to keep going. That single video also brought me around 297 subscribers, which gave me confidence that I was finally moving in the right direction. After that, I uploaded the second video in this challenge. I put even more effort into it than the first one, but surprisingly, it received far fewer views. However, that video taught me one of the most valuable lessons about YouTube Shorts. The first 3 seconds are everything. If you can't grab the viewer's attention in those first 3 seconds, it doesn't matter how good the rest of the video is. Your chances of going viral become much lower. Then I uploaded my third video, and that's when everything changed. Within just 7 days, that video crossed 1 million views. Even now, it's still getting over 200,000 views every 48 hours. At this rate, I believe there's a strong chance it will surpass 5 million views. After that, I uploaded another short, and it completely exceeded my expectations. That video reached over 7 million views and brought in more than 36,000 subscribers. The rest of the proof is right in front of you. Once you've finished watching this video, feel free to check out the channel yourself. Here's the channel name. But here's the interesting part. This success wasn't built with AI alone. It was created using a manual plus AI workflow, and in my opinion, that's exactly what makes this type of content sustainable in the long run. To be honest, things didn't start this way. When I first launched the channel, I spent the first 2 weeks uploading quiz and puzzle videos. I genuinely believed they would perform well, but the results were disappointing. Hardly any views, almost no subscribers, and every upload felt like a failure. At that point, I had 2 choices: give up or completely change my strategy. I chose the second option. I started analyzing YouTube trends, studying successful creators, researching competitors, and testing different content formats. After a lot of experimentation, I finally discovered a unique concept. I built my own version of it, and the results are now right in front of you. Now let's answer the biggest question. Can this type of content actually get monetized? Based on my experience, yes. The reason is simple. This isn't fully AI-generated content. AI is only one tool in the production process. The planning, animation, editing, and creative execution are all done manually. Many channels struggle with monetization because they rely entirely on AI output without adding meaningful human creativity or originality. Each video takes me around 2 to 3 hours to produce. This isn't one-click content. Every upload goes through a structured production workflow, making it both scalable and brand safe for long-term growth. So here's exactly how I make these videos. First, I opened Gemini and generated custom characters like Ronaldo, Messi, and MrBeast. Then, I imported those characters into Adobe Animate and rigged them. The best part about rigging is that you only have to do it once. After that, you can reuse the same characters in every future video, which saves an incredible amount of production time. Next, I searched YouTube for trending video ideas and took a screenshot of the style I wanted. I uploaded that screenshot into Gemini and asked it to generate a background with a similar look. Within seconds, I had a high-quality background ready to use. After that, I created simple but smooth character animations inside Adobe Animate. Once the animation was finished, I rendered everything and completed the final edit in Adobe Premiere Pro, where I added sound effects, pacing, and finishing touches to make the video more engaging. Then, I uploaded the video, and the results speak for themselves. Millions of views and thousands of subscribers, all from a workflow designed to scale.
In this part, we are going to learn something very exciting. If I give you a roadmap showing how this animation is made using pure AI versus a combined AI plus manual workflow, which animation style do you think will look better? You will find out the answer at the very end of this video. So first, open Gemini AI in any browser. After that, copy this master prompt, which makes your job incredibly easy. I will drop the link for it in the description or the pinned comment. Now copy this prompt, paste it directly into Gemini, and hit enter. First, the AI will ask you which character you want to create. You can type in any name you want. For example, I'm typing Ronaldo here and hitting enter. Look at that. It has written a flawless character image prompt for me. Let's copy this. Next, search for Google Flow on Google. Click on the first link. If it asks you to log in, go ahead and do that, then click on New Project. Once you are in, select Image instead of Video. Choose your preferred aspect ratio. Use 16:9 for long-form videos. And select how many images you want to generate in a single click. After that, paste the prompt you just copied here and hit enter. Our image generation has started, and there you go. The images are ready. If you like them, simply download them in high quality. Now, return to Gemini AI and simply type background and hit enter. The AI will give you two different options to generate your background. Option 1. You can explain the background yourself based on your own ideas. Option 2. You can paste your script and it will generate a background tailored exactly to that context. I'm going to select the first option and explain the background myself. The AI has now generated the background prompt. If you want to make any changes to it, you can give further text instructions to adjust it exactly how you want. Now it has given me the perfect prompt for the background. I'll copy this and paste it into our AI image generator. As you can see, it has generated some brilliant backgrounds. If you don't like the initial results, you can just click Generate again to refresh. It has given me two more background variations. Download whichever one you prefer. Now, let's talk about what to do if you want to generate the animation using only AI. Right here, I have 40 free credits to create videos, and the tool gives you 50 free credits daily. First, drag and drop your character and background here. Then, click right here and select Video. Choose your video ratio and the quantity you want, and select an AI model for your video. After that, explain your desired animation workflow in the prompt box. If you aren't great at writing prompts, you can easily use ChatGPT or Claude AI to write your animation prompts. I've typed in a few sample words as a test and hit enter. The AI has started generating the video. And our video is ready. At the end of this video, I will show you a direct comparison between the pure AI video and the manual plus AI video. Now let's move over to the manual workflow. For this, you will need to import your character into Adobe Animate. Over there, we will first do character tracing, followed by proper custom animation. If you guys want a proper detailed course on Adobe Animate, I will create a free 20-minute masterclass for you. Now let me show you both videos side by side.
Let's go! Wow! Yes!
This first one is the pure AI video, which took only 5 to 10 minutes to make. Now that you've seen that, let's take a look at our manual plus AI video.
Go! Oh wait, what? Kylian Mbappe is out!
Help me! Help me!
Let's see what happens next. And Ronaldo is out too! Now let's see who gets rank 1. Ronaldo takes rank 1!
This one took at least 3 to 5 hours to complete. What do you think? Which video turned out better? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.